This weekend, my family and I, we're gonna be going down or up to LA. There's an Abilities Expo. The Abilities Expo is basically like a 2-day conference. You have a bunch of vendors showcasing a bunch of different adaptive products, adaptive wheelchair accessible cars, wheelchair accessible venues, a bunch of just adaptive equipment and apps that have come out over the past couple years. So we're going to be going up there with my friend John White and his brother, because they're going to be showcasing their app TrueFit. You guys have seen the app TrueFit in our workouts that we do before. Hey bud, good morning. How you doing?
Good, man. How are you doing?
We're doing pretty good. Yeah, we had some breakfast.
GoPro battle. Nice shirt, man.
Thank you. You guys see this shirt? It's the company that we're representing, TrueFit. It's TrueFit. Let's go.
Let's do it.
It's gonna be a great day. We're gonna be representing TrueFit at the Abilities Expo. Like I said yesterday, the Abilities Expo is like a convention of all these companies, all these apps that have come out to LA to represent their companies and apps and all the things that have come out over the past 2 or 3 years. So let's go. Let's get it. Today's gonna be a great day. All right, we're outside. Morning, Adam.
Morning. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Representing TrueFit. Let's go. There's the town car that we're gonna be taking. They're bringing up the town car right now to take us to the Abilities Expo. Town car. Yeah. Omni Hotels and Resort. Let's go, guys. You guys ready?
Let's do it.
Honey, I got my SARS. It's negative.
Yeah, we are.
I gotta look at mine.
Let's do the GPS.
Is it on? There's the Bonaventure. What did you want? Oh. You want to zoom in on that?
That building.
Okay? Yeah. We pick up here, okay? Just tell us west. Behind Staples.
Okay. Catch you guys in a little bit.
Yeah.
Flags.
The state of California, the county of Riverside, the city of LA, and then the LA convention flag.
Wow.
Cool.
Alright. Alright, so we're gonna do a little bit of walking backwards here. Well, maybe not. I don't know. There's Adam right there. Yeah.
Yours isn't on.
Alright.
Let me get you rolling through the double door.
Give me rolling through the double door. Welcome to the LA Convention Center.
Hello.
We're not really official exhibitors yet, but we're at the show.
We're at the show.
Yes, we are. So this is a fully accessible Winnebago RV.
Awesome. We've been following Curb Free with Corey Lee, who rented one of these with his mom. Yeah.
Absolutely.
He's here today, right?
Yes, I saw him yesterday too.
Awesome. This is amazing. Oh, look at this shower. Roll right in. This all so spacious. Washer, dryer. Full refrigerator. Oh, it's locked. All right.
291,000.
Bam.
Everything you see in here is included.
Put it on your card, Austin.
Exactly. I know.
Pay it off later, man. See you later.
We'll let them do their exploration. We'll crowd it up.
Hey, you want to help me again?
Next one again.
Will you hold this one?
Yeah.
There you go. Then you can test it.
Everything you see in here is included.
Can you imagine having this park down at Oceanside? How cool would that be?
291,000.
See, roll in. Can you roll in there? Right here.
Come on, YouTube. You guys can do this for me.
So don't forget to open this one here. That's an important cabinet.
It's a washer and dryer.
Washer and dryer.
Full size washer and dryer.
All right, guys. That was a really cool tour of the Winnebago RV. So this company, To Live For. To Live For.
So yeah, we just partner with organizations that have pool assistive equipment, and then we give it away. Yeah. And then we also, so I was telling Austin that we also have a To Live For Tribune where we share people's stories. So like, okay, what are you doing to you know, find your To Live For? Like, are you skydiving? Are you going hiking? Are you going out in the water? And how do you do that given that you have a disability?
ToLiveFor.org is giving away an extreme motorist X3 all-terrain wheelchair. They got a social media. And this wheelchair can go on the snow, it can go on the beach, it can go in the sand, the water, wherever you want to go. These right here are the stand-up Evolves. I don't know. And basically what happens is this lever up here, you can raise it like so, like this. You can raise it up like that, and you go back. And this is also an elliptical. Like so.
You want to wheel over to the rock climbing wall?
Yeah.
I think you and John should climb it.
Rock climbing wall.
Watch to your left over here.
No limits, only possibilities. Let's do it. Come on up, buddy. Woo. Oh yeah, man. Woo. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, bud. Woo! All the way up. Go all the way up. Work it out, man. Get up there. Ring the bell. Yeah, bud. This is what the only possibility is about. Woo! Get it. Yeah! All wheels access. This is the companion electric scooter thing. What it is they got a little bit of bracket down here, and you hook up the bracket to the bottom of your chair. You can see in there, and then you roll onto the bracket up here, and then this thing goes about 15 miles an hour, and this is like the Firefly. The Firefly is very similar. You have a bracket right here in the front front plate, and then you have another bracket up here in the front.
Hit it. Blow right by me. Like,
Flying on water.
I felt like you were flying on water.
Yeah.
Is that too fast or is that?
No.
That's good.
That's about my speed limit right there.
That's your speed limit.
That's called no limits, only possibilities.
You got that right.
Yep. Yeah, like next year.
So can we get a book signed for
What's up?
True
No limits, only possibilities.
Because he does.
Corey Lee, Curb Free with Corey Lee.
We're live. Curb free with Corey Lee.
Curb Free with Corey Lee does a lot of adaptive travel. So he's been to the Bahamas, which is one place that I've wanted to go. He's been to the Turks and Caicos, another one. And he's been to Costa Rica, right?
Yep,
Costa Rica.
All
and
7 continents.
all 7 continents. Check that out. That's truly called No Limits, Only Possibilities. He's got some books there that I've actually got one signed copy of his book. He's giving it away for free. But Corey, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah, good to meet you too.
And hope to catch you out there soon.
Yeah, we gotta go on an adventure together soon.
All right, what are we doing here, boys?
We're done for the day.
Was it a great day or what?
It was a wonderful day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Meet some great people.
Some amazing people
Super
here.
good networking. Getting True Fit's name out there. The shirts were killer, man. Everybody recognized us.
Yep.
I mean, the shirts did their job.
Yeah, they did.
You did a good job too, man.
They did. Now it's we're gonna be doing an outro here. Gonna be going back, and it was a great day. No limits, only possibilities. We're waiting for the cab to come pick us up. All right, we're exiting the building. True Fit out. See you guys later. True Fit out.
I don't know if there's a. It looks like.
Elevator.
There's only like 2 people there.
All right, we're exiting the building. Catch you guys in a minute.
There's a Laker game tonight.
Yeah, there's a Laker game. Here's our shuttle.
There we go. Okay.
Shuttle service to our hotel.
All right.
Omni.
Doing much fun?
So here we are at the Omni Hotel.
The All Suite Omni Hotel.
Oh,
That's
sweet.
what
Omni
Oprah
Hotel.
Winfrey used to say at the end of her show every day, Austin. She'd
Yeah.
go, and guests of the show stay at the All Suite Omni Hotel.
My bed. Well, this is my parents' bed. That's my bed. That's a rollaway up there. TV. Then we got
In the closet, this is something that Corey Lee loves. Corey Lee loves a full-length mirror. So open the closet door.
a length mirror for the closet. And then here's the bathroom. Fully accessible bathroom, shower, walk-in bench, fully accessible sink, grab bars, toilet, obviously.